Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'll be unboxing a Shopkin toy that I got from Dr. Pat. See, I got this Royal Convertible plus Tiara Sparkles plus a picnic set. And then this car can open the door. And then you can also put 4 people in the car. See, look. So, let's open it now. Okay, now I have to open it. So let's just untie everything. Wow. Yes, I'm making the video. Next, open the another tape. And then I untie it. And this one, how you tie it is very hard. Not easy. So, see? Whole thing. Ow. So we can free the car. We need to remove all this tape and untie it. Okay, now we can remove the car, getting loose. Ta-da! Now we have to remove it from the wheels. See? Wow, it's really hard to remove this one. Ta-da! Now it's free. And look at the downside. We now have to remove this part. It also rolls. Now time to open this part. Now I need to remove this piece of tape. Remove this. See, it says. And since when you watch this video, you might see the word other way around, and it says, pick up your friends. Fits for little shoppies. That means these girls. Look, you can even open it. Just wait. See, it has a space. And up here. Because it's a Royal Convertible, and this one is real glass. And now let's see. See, you can open it. Whoop. So the other one. Whoop. Next. down here. And again, it's a huge tape. And right now, I'm gonna be opening the picnic set. I have to be careful because there's like 3 little pieces. Okay. Ding. It has lots of tape. There. Now, we got this part out. Let's see. First, we got the picnic bag. See, you can move it. Which has spaces for 2 things. And then this thing is the extra wheel. The extra wheel goes in here. See? And it has the word happy place inside of that thing. And now we'll open the car keys and the credit card. Wow. They're so tiny. I can't even remove the credit card. There. See? It says a code number on it. Here you could see. It's like I'm gonna pause myself. See? So you can try to read it if it doesn't work. Well, I'll just try and not read it. It says 334029. Next, we'll open the princess and the water bottle and her stand and this small little cookie and this thing. You can see. What's this? Okay, I'm removing the crown, am I? Okay. Let's remove this thing now. It says that she has a pop-up dress. Okay, now I'm going to still try to move this like I'm peeling it off. Wow. Alright. Careful. Now let's see. It's safe. See? It's a little cookie. So small. Ow. Now let's open this box. Look, this box can open. It's this one. Let's put this cookie in here. And then we got this bottle. Which is a bottle, and then when you do it like this, you can pour it, and then see? It also opens. And now for my favorite part, opening Tiara. Tiara Sparkles. That's her name. So now let's see. This is her daytime dress. And this is her glitter dress. Her hands can also move, so was her head. And she can also go to the store, which is this background place, this thing, which is also Shop Kids. So, and now I'll get this stand so she can stand on her feet. It goes here. That's it. Yeah, it goes here. Now she can stand. Look guys, she can stand on my hand. Oh, great. Whoa. Now, time open the car. See if she really fits. Let's remove her stand. Remove her extra skirt. And she can sit down also. Just put her in the driving seat. And then she can also drive. Now I have to put the credit card in what place it should be. Also the keys. There. See? And it fits on the back side. Let's see what it says inside. It says nothing. Okay, now let's put this on the back side. Also the sticks. And this is what it looks like, guys. There's a small space to keep it in here. See, you can see the picnic bag. And here is where you put the extra wheel. Oh, see? It's a pet can. See? So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you on my next video. Bye, guys! Mwah.